Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you this makeup look which I have right now. So I'm going to start with half of my face, and this video is all about the new palette, and it comes with 16 colors, and I'm going to show you this makeup look which I have right now. And using only this palette right here. So if you guys want to know how I'm going to create this look, so keep on watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, comment down below, because I'm so always happy to read your comments and hear from you guys. Thank you so much, and let's go straight to the video. Some of the names, they are in Spanish. Lucido, Canela, Lomo, Divina, Nostalgia. Yeah, esos son los que, that's the names that she have in Spanish. So I really like them. This palette have like a very diverse like colors right here, as you guys can see. They have like a bright, you know, this beautiful yellow tone, this kind of like a pinkish, like with red, like pink. I don't know how to describe it. The colors are so beautiful. She also make like nude colors. Like we have like a 4, 5, 6 shimmers, like shadows, and they're like beautiful. As you guys can see, the pigment is fantastic. So I'm going to start by my eyes. I'm already primed my eyes. I'm already applied my base. I was thinking about to talk a little bit of Jaclyn Hill brushes that she came out last year with them. I think like 2 years ago, 2017 or 2018, I guess. But I'm not going to today. So if you guys want me to talk about her brushes, so comment down below and give this video a thumbs up, so I will do that. So I'm going to start by using this brush, which I cannot talk right now, which is the JH30 from Jaclyn Hill's brushes. And I'm going to take the sandalwood color, and I'm going to apply on top of my eyelid, just to kind of like to prep my eyes. We're ready with that. Now I'm going to take the second brush, which is the I cannot talk, which is the JH32 brush, also from Jaclyn Hill brushes, and I'm going to take Moody, which is this color right here, and yes, I'm going to take just a little tiny bit, not too much, and I'm going to start like blend this color in this area on my socket line. So and just blend. I'm going to take a little bit more, and I'm going to blend more. So I'm going to, from the outer corner to the inner corner, like blending. And a good trick to apply shadows is to basically to blend the shadows well. So let me zoom in a little bit so you guys can get the, so yeah, so I'm going to blend one want to blend, blend, blend. The brush JH41, which is this one right here, and I'm going to take this color right here, which is Esmeralda trim, this color. And actually I'm going to apply a little bit of Fix Plus just to make it a little bit intense. Just a little bit, you don't have to apply like too much. And I'm going to apply this from the outer corner to the inner corner, but you know what, I'm going to do something before, because this shadow have like a little bit like like a glitter on it, so I don't want this to ruin my foundation. So I'm going to apply a lot of translucent powder right here, which is a good trick. I learned this from all the beauty gurus up there. Even I'm going to play a little like here on my nose, and yeah, so now we look like a little bit crazy. So I'm going to take a little bit of the product, so you can see it right here, and like I say, I'm going to apply from the outer corner to from the inner corner to the outer corner, very close to the inner corner. I'm sorry guys that I have to look back there. It's because sometimes my camera just stop recording, so there I have my screen so I can see if I'm still recording or not. Right here, which is Moody again, and I'm going to mix that color with Divina right here a little bit, just a little tiny bit, and I'm going to apply the I'm going to apply this. What is the other brush? Oh, it's right here. So I'm going to apply this to the outer corner, kind of like to make it like a smoky kind of thing. Let's do it here, like smoky, and kind of like a blending all the colors together. Oh, sorry, I'm just too down. You see, that's good to be able to see yourself on the screen, to see what you were doing. So I just gotta be used to it. Just gotta get used to that. So used to do that. So new makeup, new tricks. I'm going to take this brush right here, which is the JH33, I'm sorry. And I'm going to take a here, which is the right here, this color right here, which is the Wild Soul. It's kind of yellow, like mustard kind of color. And I'm going to apply this on top. You guys see right here? And kind of like a blending this color with the green part. I really love these shadows, and I'm only use these shadows, just so you guys can see. I'm not using nothing else. It's this. Here, and apply this on the bottom right here like that, and it's going to look like a very, like, so pretty. So I love it. I'm going to apply a little bit more so you guys can see what I'm doing right here. And you see that I'm going to use this brush from Jaclyn Hills, also is the JH42, and I'm going to take Lucido, which is this one right here, and I'm going to highlight my brow bone. And I'm going to start from here and I'm going to over here, and it's so beautiful. You see how beautiful it is? And when I highlight basically I don't like to do that like that often, but when I do this, it is so beautiful. Look how beautiful it is. It looks fantastic. And I'm going to take another brush, which is this one, the GH39. It looks like this. It's perfect to apply highlights to the tear dot. I'm going to apply.